Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and we got an update on the rebuild of the 2019 Hyundai Accent with the rebuilt aftermarket crank. We got about 33 miles on the engine already. Right now we're on the highway, cruising. It seems to be running beautiful. We're going to get back to the shop. We're going to check all the vitals on the scan tool. But so far, saving a ton of money, saving $5,000-$6,000 by doing it this way. Thank God to the aftermarket industry. So I've been driving now about 15 minutes. We're going to take it back to the shop and we're going to check all the vitals. All right, so we have the scan tool hooked up, and now we're going to go see if we have any codes. Because according to me, everything is running really nice. I just didn't want to give the guy the car back when we did major surgery like that. So he said it was okay. I can use it for a little while and make sure. And because he knows how I am, I'm very protective of what I do. All right, so we're gonna do a scan. All right, I think okay. All right. Oh, man. Let's go back. What did I do? Okay, anyhow. ECM, everything seems normal. All right. I think I just touched something by accident. But anyhow, let's go in here. Okay, pause that. Let's go into the ECM. Full codes. No trouble codes. So we have no trouble codes. And let me see, because if I read data stream, I think this thing has like 200, so we're not going to go, 211. We're not going to go crazy with anything. Nothing came up. The car is running great. There's really nothing to check. Let me see. Misfiring, it's not misfiring, so there's really, if there's no problem, no sense digging and trying to find the problem, because you can always find the problem. So anyway, let me start it up. All right, since I repaired it, I think it had 110,020 miles, so now it's got almost 60,000 miles more. 60 miles more, I'm sorry. That would have been some serious test, huh? 60,000 miles. 60, almost 60 miles I put on it. Engine runs great. And we can check misfiring. Of course, there's nothing. So, basically, car's good to go. This is, as long as you, check that crankshaft, for, you have to measure it because, it is aftermarket, not saying, it seems that it's running good. So, this is a way to save a ton of money. And not on just Hyundai. Basically, any car with the manufacturers now, with the aftermarket parts, as long as you check them, measure them good, you can save yourself thousands of dollars, especially in this economy. That's going to help people out big time. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any question pertaining to the video, leave it below. I answer all my questions. Anybody has any ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments. If I can make them, I will. All right, I guess it's time to give the car back to the customer. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.